Survey Junkie's surveys usually don't load because the platform can't match your profile to available advertiser surveys, or your browser is blocking the tracking scripts that load the survey panel. When that connection fails, the dashboard looks empty or stuck, even though the app is working normally. By the end of this, you'll know why Survey Junkie surveys are not loading, and the exact fixes that get the survey list working again. First issue is browser or app tracking being blocked. Survey Junkie depends on cookies and third-party scripts to load available surveys. If you have ad blockers, strict privacy settings, or disabled cookies, the survey list often won't appear at all. The fix is to disable ad blockers, allow cookies, and avoid private browsing before opening the app or website. Second issue is profile mismatch. Survey platforms don't show every survey to every user. They filter based on age, location, household details, and past answers. If your profile is incomplete or inconsistent, the system may not load surveys because it can't place you into active campaigns. The fix is to go into your profile and fully complete every section with accurate, stable information. Third issue is low survey availability for your demographic. Sometimes there are simply no active surveys that match your profile at that moment. When this happens, the survey page can appear blank or show very few options. This is not a technical error. It just means demand from advertisers is temporarily low for your category. Another common issue is session errors. If you stay logged in for too long without refreshing, the survey feed can stop updating correctly. Logging out and logging back in forces a fresh session and reloads available surveys from the server. Device and app version can also affect loading. Outdated versions of the app or browser compatibility issues can break the survey interface. Updating the app or switching to a different browser often restores the survey list immediately. There are also cases where location services interfere. If your IP address or device location doesn't match your profile region, Survey Junkie may limit or hide surveys until it can verify consistency. To bring it together, Survey Junkie surveys not loading is usually caused by blocked scripts, incomplete profiles, low matching demand, or session and app issues. The system is working in the background, but it only shows surveys when everything aligns correctly. The next step is simple. Turn off blockers, complete your profile fully, refresh your session, and try switching browsers or devices if surveys still don't appear. Subscribe for more fixes that explain exactly how survey apps actually decide what you see instead of guessing through random troubleshooting.